This very short playlist is about creating drop-down menus in Google Sheets. Drop-downs have nothing to do directly with using AI or GPT for Sheets in Google Sheets. In fact, you don't even need the GPT for Sheets extension to create drop-downs. The drop-down function is built into Google Sheets. However, drop-downs are very useful if you have to insert many variables into the same formula. Let's start with something very simple in this example. So here's a cell B1 that has a 5-line drop-down menu, and each line says NFL team in, and then we name a particular city, period, nickname only, period. So it's 5 different prompts in this drop-down menu. In cell A1 is a very simple formula, $GPT B1. So every time I change the line in the drop-down menu, so I'll change it to NFL team in Detroit, the formula loads again and tells me the NFL team in Detroit is the Lions. If I choose NFL team in Kansas City, the GPT formula will tell me the NFL team in Kansas City is the Chiefs. In the next video, I'll show you how to create this drop-down menu.